We built ETHInSnap, a MetaMask snap, the easiest tool to integrate and use account abstraction. With ETHInSnap, we democratize account abstraction. Currently, like GKP, account abstraction is only for a few specialists. It is very hard for developers and users to use. From developers' perspectives, it requires a deep understanding of account abstraction specifications and requires them to write a bunch of code to create transactions that support account abstraction. From the user's point of view, they sometimes need to install another wallet that supports account abstraction, which leads to bad UX because they cannot use their daily wallets, such as MetaMask. ETHInSnap makes it easy to integrate and use account abstraction and democratize account abstraction for all the developers and users in the crypto world. With ETHInSnap, developers only need to write a few lines of code that interact with ETHInSnap to make transactions without deep understanding. Also, users can easily interact with contract account without thinking of EOA or contract account. ETHInSnap unlocks the future of account abstraction. ETHInSnap is live, so you can try this anytime. This example dApp requests a connection to your contract account. Like interacting with your EOA, we can initiate a connection, change the network, and send transaction. In this demo, we create a transfer transaction. All you have to do is just sign a message and send it to the node to make contract account transaction. You can see del.Portu Matic is transferred from contract account to the signer EOA. I think many of you feels like, so what? But this is what we want. We can interact with our contract accounts without considering EOA or contract accounts. This is a UX we desire, where we can interact with our contract accounts like interacting with our everyday wallet. And here's a comparison of the codes which initiate a transfer transaction of contract account. The right side is what you have to write from the scratch. You need to understand each line of code even to make a simple transfer transaction. Compared with this, you can see how easy it is to call ETHInSnap to initiate a transaction. It's only 14 lines of code, which pretty improves developers' experience. We democratize account abstraction for all users and developers with ETHInSnap. We use MetaMask snaps and account abstractions SDK to implement EIP4337. We choose Polygon Network to deploy our contracts, where the mass adoption of Web3 is happening. We have 3 people in our team: Hide, Yusuke, and me. Thank you.